How to send a package on DHL. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can send a package on DHL, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your web browser and then type dhl.com in order to visit the DHL website. And so once you're on the website, you can see the logo by the top left corner. Just below the logo there are other tabs like track, ship, customer service, etc. So once you can see this, the next step is to scroll down until you can see the section where you can see ship now, get a quote DHL for business. So just go ahead and click on ship now. Now before now, ensure that you have packaged your the package you've packed it, and if it has to be in a box, ensure you've done all the necessary stuff. All right, and then once you're on the ship now page, you can see the right top which says package and pallet, big and small. We can offer you instant delivery options for your shipping needs both domestically and internationally. So the next will be for you to fill out your shipment details below, and so we can see the first steps required. The first step is to enter the origin and destination. And the second thing is to describe the shipments, then get your delivery prices, and then proceed with online booking. So the next step would be for you to scroll down. All right, so when you scroll down, you have to decide, are you sending this package as a private person or as a business? So as a private person, this is the box. But as a business, by the time you click on business, you can see that it has changed. All right, so ensure you select the one you want. So you have to select your country as well as your state, and then you have to select the country or the region that you're sending the package to. So for example, I'll choose Canada as an example, and then you can enter a city if you wish, a postal code if you wish. It's optional, and then if it's a residential residential address, you can check the box, but if not, you can leave it that way. Then click on describe your shipment in order to proceed to the next stage. Now the next stage now is entering the weight of the package of the shipment. Now this is why I said it earlier that before you click on ship, you have to ensure that you've check out the weight of your shipment. You've calculated the shipping cost, the package dimensions, and all of that. So by the time you're on this stage, all you need to do is to enter in the weight of your package here, the dimensions here, the width, the height. All of this is necessary so that the kind of box or the method of shipment would be determined. All right, so you have to, if you're not sure of the sizes, you can just select any one of this as an example. All right, and then after selecting it, ensure you enter in the weight, and then scroll down and click on ship now. Now the ship now will not work because I did not enter in a weight. So let's say for example I'm working with 43 kg. All right, and then I'll just go ahead and click on ship now, and then you can see the next stage of shipping. So you can see the estimated delivery is Wednesday, 3rd of July, and then this is the amount that I am to pay. And then once I've seen all of this, the next thing I'm to do is all you have to do is go to the right side and click on continue to booking, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page, you can see the first option which says if you're registered in my DHL Plus, login now. So if you've registered on DHL, the cost would reduce. So I would advise that you register actually. But if if you do not want to register, you can just yeah. If you don't want to register by clicking on by moving to the top right corner, click on register. You can just register by entering in your name, your company, and all of that here, and then by clicking on next. And by the time you click on next, you'll be taken to another page and your account would be opened. So after your account has been opened, you will now proceed to the next stage, which is to pay the amount that has been displayed to you, and then you print your shipping label, and you expect your package to be shipped and delivered successfully. So these are the processes. All right, okay, these are the various ways whereby you can this is the major way, sorry, whereby you can send a package on DHL. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.